Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a mini contour and highlight. We actually set the highlight and contour in this picture, and this is the final buffing away of the powder and how the contour looks. So jumping right in, we are going in starting with these eyebrows, and today eyebrow routine I will be using a pomade in the color 03 Dark Brown. And this is by Folkular. We're just gathering some product on a very detailed, skinny, flat brush. And we're going to go right in and start carving out these brows, starting on the bottom, working our way over top and connecting both ends at the tail. Alright, still detailing these brows, sculpting these brows out. We are giving that high end a high arch, because I actually love a very high arch on my eye. I love medium to thick brows, not too skinny and not too thick, just right in the middle. And my brows, I like to go for twins and not sisters. I definitely try to make my brows as symmetrical as possible and as even and as sharp as possible. So I do try to make them more twinning instead of sisters, and definitely not cousins. So we're just going to use some of that pomade and just start filling in the tail end of the brow, working our way up to the front portion of that brow. Just darkening the brow in with the pomade product. Leaving that front portion of our brow open, because we're going to just use whatever product we have on our spoolie to brush in to the front portion right here. But I'm doing hair-like strokes to create an illusion of hair in the front portion of our brow, just creating the ombre effect. Still darkening the tail end of the brow, which is supposed to be the darkest portion of the brow, gradually moving from light to dark, ending in the tail end of the brow. Just creating some hair-like strokes right in the front, and then blending everything together. Alright, I'm very satisfied at how this brow actually came out with the pomade, because I normally use a dark brown pencil, but today I want to go different and use a pomade. So, we went underneath the brows with a LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we concealed the brows to give it a sculpted, sharp effect, and we're just buffing out that concealer with the powder brush. Next, we're going in with our Kiss brow palette, and we're using that darkest shade in the palette, and we're just setting our pomade with brow powder. I'm a very oily girl, so I have to definitely set my brows so they'll stay matte throughout the day. Alright, loving those brows. Moving right along. Doing the same thing I just did to the first brow to the opposite brow, using that dark brown pomade. We're going right in with that flat detail brush, and we're going to start on the bottom portion of the brow and start sculpting out this brow. Just tracing your natural brow, starting on the bottom and then going over top the brow and connecting both lines at the tail end. And this is an easy, friendly makeup beat. This is an everyday makeup beat with your highlight, your contour, your setting powders, your brow routine, and we'll also be applying lashes in this video. So you'll have a mini beat, everyday beat that you can do on a regular basis that's very beginners friendly. So just continue to watch this video, and if you're liking what you see, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also send me a comment down below, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Also, to be notified for any upcoming videos or content I may have posted to my page at a later date, you can just go ahead and hit that notification bell, and you will be alerted every time I post new content. So just continuing to darken in the brows with the pomade. Not going too heavy in the front portion, just creating those hair-like strokes and darkening it in gradually, from moving from the front portion to the middle, down through the tail end. Then we're just taking that spoolie and brushing all the brow pomade in and blending everything in. And we're going right in right here with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Fawn. And we're going to use a flat brush to go in and sculpt out our brows. Just giving a little mist to help move that Pro Concealer around seamlessly. Pulling that eyebrow up to create a high arch. We're going right in underneath the brow, and we're just sharpening out, carving out, sculpting out these brows, honey. And I feel like just lifting that brow gives your underbrow a very high arch, and you can get right in there with that brush and detail it as much or as little as you would like. And then just taking that Pro Concealer down over the eyelid, and if at a later date or a different video you want to actually apply eyeshadow, that you can use that Pro Concealer as your eyeshadow base. But that is not what we'll be doing in today's video. This is just a mini beginner-friendly light beat with your highlight, your contour, your brow routine, and your eyelash application. And we're just using that powder brush to set the concealer and make sure everything is blended in nicely. Going right over top of that brow to make sure everything is buffed in and matte as possible. And just brushing all the pomade through. Going right into that Kiss brow palette. We're going to be setting our brows because they do get oily throughout the day, using a pomade or a brow pencil. So I definitely want to set either or. So today we're using that pomade, so I will be setting that pomade with this brow palette, using the darkest shade in the palette and just pressing that right into the hairs on the brow and moving the product through to the tail end. This will keep our brows matte throughout the day. I live for a good brow, honey. I don't know whoever said that brows are not supposed to be twins but sisters. I go for twins and not fraternal. I go for identical when I do my brow application. So slay them brows, girls. Slay them brows. Moving right along, we'll be applying lashes, or falsies, as the girls would like to call them. At this time, we're going to be using this black eyelash adhesive glue. And we're just applying that right to our lash line. I like to apply it to my own eyelash line first. I know a lot of girls do not do this, but I do this every day. This is part of my every time I apply, lashes routine. I applied the lash glue to my own eyelash line first, then to the actual falsie lash band, and then I'll apply the lashes to my eyelash line. And that just helps the eyelashes to actually stay and last longer when you have a barrier on your eyelash and as well as the falsies. So right here we're just gonna pop these eyelashes right on. And these lashes I did order from AliExpress. These are the mink hair stereo lashes, and these come 4 pairs on one tray. And these lashes are very high quality. They're very fluffy, they're very voluminous, they're very voluptuous. I love these lashes. They're very flirty and they create an awesome look to the eye. And these eyelashes are very affordable and very pocket friendly. These eyelashes are under $2 on AliExpress. So if you are feeling these lashes, go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below, and I will definitely be sure to direct you to where I got these lashes from. So just popping the other lash on the opposite eye, doing the same thing. Apply the lash glue to my own lash band first, then to the falsie band, and then I applied the lashes to my eye. Just going in making sure I give the eyelashes a good hold, because they would like to get ignorant and sometimes lift up on either ends of the lashes. So you want to go in and just give it a nice little hold for a couple seconds and make sure the glue and the lashes are adhered together. All right, moving right along. We definitely have our face at a subtle to medium type beat. We went in with a fix, the LA Girl Pro setting spray. And while our face is still mist or moist, we're going in with this Wet n Wild Illuminating Glow Palette. And we are glowing, girls. Yes. With those high cheekbones, that button nose, and down the bridge of your nose, the Cupid's bow. And I like to highlight just a little bit right in the middle of my forehead and in the middle of the brow area. Yes. Just popping a little on that chin as well. You better glow, girl. Glow for your life, honey. Alright, going right in with the Revlon. This is the Photo Eye Art Liquid Glitter. And this is in the color gold. We're just popping that right into our tear ducts. Just adding more character to this natural beat. So a pop of glitter does a girl good. And we're going to roll right in right after this with a standard black eyeliner pencil and tightline our waterline. Loving this look already. This is definitely a beginner's friendly, nothing to it, nothing major type of look. This is one of the get up and goes, you know, gotta run to Walmart, gotta go to the mall. This is a look that's not very dramatic or overdoing it. And we're going right into the lips with this gloss. Everyone loves just a natural gloss, whatever gloss that you have. I got this gloss from the beauty supply store, and I'm going right over top of my gloss with this frosted lip gloss. Just to add more character and pop to the lip area, more shine and more glow. And to bring everything together, we're going back in with that LA Girl Pro setting spray. And we're just going to set everything in place for one last finishing touch. Hopefully y'all are feeling me, feeling the look. And I was just wanting more glow and more goldiness to my cheeks, so I went in with this glow bronzer, and I'm popping that right over top of that LA Girl, or I'm sorry, that Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette Glow. And I just want to glow some more, so I'm adding just a little more glow. And this is the final look. So if you girls are feeling me, feeling the look, and feeling this natural little easy beat contour highlight, setting powder, brow, and lash routine everyday look, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment in the comment section below. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.